Hello everyone, welcome back to One Step Adventure. I'm Steve. Okay, today is March 1st. I'm in the park because some of my friends told me that today is the first day Disneyland gonna release a Hitty Mickey pins on a pin board. So we're gonna go check it out, see can we find some, and let's go have some magical day doing some pin trading. Oh, of course, I still have to try to complete the Haunted Mansion puzzle piece. So finger crossed. If you like video like this, make sure you follow us over here, turn on the notification bell so you know time of day I release my video. Let's go! Hi, I heard that today is a new day you launched the Hitty Mickey pins here. Do you know anything about that? You don't? Okay, no problem. I'll just look around then. So we're gonna go across, don't get killed. We're gonna go to 20th Century Music Company and check out what I have. Hello, good morning. Oh wait, I always need my glasses, I forgot.
Okay, I have to use them too.
Yeah. Sorry. All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
So we're gonna check here real quick, see what I have. Let's see this one. See what else they have. Maybe we get this one. I don't know. Yeah. Do you know that I heard today you guys released a new...
They were new pin traders that were released in the drawing board.
I see. Thank you. All right. So Emporio pinboard is better. 20th Century Music Company is not so good. And let's go check the other board, finger crossed. Okay, let's go check plus a point. Maybe we'll get lucky here, who knows? Okay, nothing new here. Okay, let's go. Thank you. Let's check over here. Good morning. Let's see what I have here. They don't have anything new. Thank you. Okay, so far those two stores don't have any new pins on there. I'm not even sure I know which ones are new, but I'm just going with the feeling. Anything looks new to me. Thank you. Wait, I need my glasses. Nothing new here. Okay, thank you. Alien store, they do not have a new one. Okay, let's continue the search. All right, we're gonna try the Star Trader. See, do I have it? This is the mission today. Let's go, let's go. Hello. How are you? Good. Oh, nothing new here. All right, thank you. All right, we're here at the Space Mountain exit document control area. Let's check out their pinboard. Wait, is this a new one? I don't see Hitty Mickey. It's nothing. All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's check Tomorrowland. Try out this one. Is it true that today you guys released a whole bunch of Hitty Mickey pins on pinboard?
Nope,
No?
we didn't get them.
All right, give you a nice one.
All right.
Thank you.
One of the food trucks.
So it's very interesting that one cast member say yes, one cast member say no. As always, at Disney, you never know the information of a cast member getting. That's okay. That's why you rely on us as a YouTuber to tell you the truth. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's check out the outpost right here. Finger crossed. All right. All right, thank you. We're going to try the Mickey's Toontown. Maybe they have new pins there. Then we'll work our way back. Guess you never know what time they released it, refresh the board here. They say nobody ever know. Hey, I see somebody I know. Did you find any?
Nothing. Let me show you.
Let me show you what I found. I don't know if this is new or not, but
No, it's not.
Oh my God.
Let me show you the picture. Somebody sell me that picture. That's crazy. Look at this.
that's the one you. Hold on.
Mary and Encanto.
Oh my God, I definitely don't see those. Some people told me that they haven't received the new refresh. Are you looking for that right now?
Yeah, I don't find nothing. Maybe on DCA.
So I just saw mail earlier, and I'm going to show you guys a photo right here. These are the Hitting Mickey that they released at the park, and some people found it at DCA. So I'm going to have a little breakfast here at the Jolly Holiday. Then I'm going to head to DCA and see, can I find them? Okay, let me show you what I'm eating right now first. This is really cool. So this is a really popular breakfast right here. It's an egg and bacon sandwich right here. And I got a coffee. The bacon's pretty good. Could be crispier, so not too bad. All right, thank you. Oh wait, is that a new one?
Yes, it's one of the new, I believe it's like the Hidden Mickey one.
Oh, yes, I would like to take that. Hold on, let me give you something nice. I'll give you a nice one. I believe good karma.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
So I got, the rumor has DCA has more pins here. So a lot of pin trading people is here at 11 o'clock because that's the work to do park hopping. And I'm running away from other pin trader, trying to cut through. So hopefully I can get some pins. So like I see a couple of pin trader at the Five Dime. So I just skip that first because, you know, if they have, they'll be gone already. So I'm gonna go for a different store. Let's try the Hollywoodland first. And then we're also looking for cast members lanyard. And they usually have one too. Okay, we're gonna do the Gone Hollywood right now. Oh my God, this is so intense. I found one. This one, I think. He told me it's a new one, so I guess, yeah. Ah, not here, all right. Wow. Okay, hopefully you get some refreshment too. Thank you so much. Do you see anything? That's not a new one, right?
No, none of these are new.
All right, thank you so much. So far, I got lucky for one place. Now we are going to the Guardian of the Galaxy area and see, can I check out their pinboard? You don't have a new one here by chance?
I'm sorry?
The new Hitting Mickey?
Someone else just asked me that. I haven't heard of it.
Oh, okay. You guys just released it today, so. All right, thank you very much. That's a new one, right?
These are all brand new.
Oh my God, I have a nice
All
one to trade.
brand new. So you can trade two of whichever you like.
Yes,
and
I
then
would like
I'll show
to.
you something really cool.
I'll trade Jack and this one.
This one
Let me give you a nice one.
now have a Swarovski crystal in them.
Oh,
See
okay,
that?
yes.
Yeah. And they also have the
Nice.
Hidden Mickey. So all the new ones will be like that.
Thank you
There's
so
one,
much.
And
Wow, Jack.
then which one? This one?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, these are new.
I'm so happy. Thank you so
hey,
much.
No, we're glad you're here.
Yeah,
Are
thank
you going to
you.
celebrate food and wine?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Today I'm trying to get this first.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hey, my pleasure. Enjoy the rest of your stay.
Let's check the Pan Pacific. Is there anything new here? Hello. Ah, they don't. All right. So we're going to the Pixar Piers right now. Let's see, can I get some here? Oh, you have the new one. This one. I'd like to trade that one. Let me give you something nice. I think that's a new one, right?
It is.
There we go. Thank you so much. I got 3 so far.
You got 3 so far?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yay. Thank you so much, Connie.
This is adorable.
Yeah, I believe good pin karma. So thank you so much.
Welcome. Well, you have fun out there.
Thank you. Oh my God, I got the mini one. I'm so excited. Okay, let's keep walking. Okay, let's go check out the ping pong sweet stuff. Do you know which one's a new one? Is this a new one?
I have no idea.
You have no idea. All right, it doesn't look like it's new to me. All right, thank you very much. All right, we're gonna check out the pizza and pasta boardwalk pot. Oh, this board is full. Let's go check it out. Can I take a look? Do you guys have the new Hitting Mickey here? Yeah. I don't think there's any here. All right, thank you very much. Let's check the Redwood Creek, see what I have. All right, let's take a look. Thank you. All right, thank you very much. All right, thank you. Sure. Oh my gosh, so cute. Yay. Thank you very much. Wait, did I see you earlier?
Nope.
No? Okay, sorry. Oh, that's a new one, right? I don't know. I'll trade that one then. I think that's a new one. Not sure. I think so. Is it a new one? Let me know. Oh my god, I found this one. Oh my god, that is like really hard to find. This one is, I don't think this is hitting Mickey, but it's cute. I just took it. But that is what I want. Oh my gosh.
For it.
Oh my god, this really nice person found this. You're lucky.
This one too.
Oh, I'm gonna take it and run.
I know, right?
Wow, congratulations.
Thank you. I got those in Cars Land.
Oh, and she traded orange bird with me there from Orlando. Traded this with me. I love it. Thank you so much. All right, so I can't believe I found a lot of Hidden Mickey. This one, and then the gentleman, the guy who works here, customer told me the new one in the back. There's a little Mickey head diamond in there. That's the new design, I guess. And I got the Jack and oh my god, I forgot her name. And then the Star Wars baby. And then this one's also new, I believe. And then Minnie as Easter. So I got 7. Not too bad. Oh my gosh. And of course I trade this great lady. The lady I traded with an orange bird. She traded this with me. I cannot believe she gave up this one. So I'm pretty excited about this. So we're walking out, but we're gonna keep our eye on any cast member over there because seem to be they have a good pins on them. Mel, did you find some?
Oh yeah, I got 4.
Did you go to the one I showed you?
It's Star Wars.
Nice.
Pictures.
Nice. Oh, new pinboard found. Fairfax Market. Let's go check. Okay, I don't see anything. 7 of the new Hidden Mickey released today. I'm so happy. So if you like video like this, make sure you follow me over here. Turn on the notification bell so you know time and day I release my video. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Mooncast Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer by Yibu Beauty contains over 90% skin-loving ingredients, more skincare than makeup. Our hero ingredients are hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Hyaluronic acid for hydration and brightening. Aloe vera to calm and soothe the skin. Carefully designed it for anyone with concerns of uneven complexions and or dehydrated skin. Suitable for all ages, lifestyles, and skin types. For dry skin, use over a moisturizer. Give a bottle a shake before use. Dispense 2 to 3 pumps onto the palm. Massage hands together and apply to the face. Start from the center outward, covering the face, forehead, and neck.